Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share hashtag Flower and Critters 2026, hosted by Jamie over at Poetspice, or also known as Poetspice. I failed to participate last month, and life just got crazy. But I'm here today, back in the game, and I did something really quick and easy. I I've watched other ladies with their projects, and they're gorgeous, and they're very detailed. And yeah, I'm kind of like um, behind the game, or um, I'm not upping my game, I guess. So anyway, I altered this playing card with this pretty cardinal paper, and added some trim. This is a snippet of um, words or phrases from my friend Nada over at Nada's Creations. She's not doing videos right now, but hopefully she'll be doing them soon. Added more like Christmas paper to the background and more trim. I inked the edges with vintage photo, and yeah, that is my card for today, and my little critter is a cardinal. Love it. So I want to thank Jamie for this opportunity, and go check everybody down below. I hope I have everybody's links correct this time around, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.